Hello, it's Alexander from Alberta Indoor Comfort back with another video. Now, hand sanitizer, all sold out. Soap, not going to do the job. You need something strong to disinfect your house, and here we are going to be making our own disinfectant cleaner. What you're going to need for this is aloe vera juice or gel. You are going to need 99% isopropyl alcohol. You are going to need a measuring device of some type, a bowl for bowl things, and something to mix in the bowl. How this works is isopropyl alcohol is awesome. It kills everything basically, but in too high of a concentration, it can start to burn you, and it just doesn't feel nice on your skin. It dries it out. Aloe, however, is very soft on your skin and awesome. So how we're going to make this, we're first going to take our isopropyl alcohol and we're going to pour 2 portions of it. So whatever measurement you're using, here we're going to pour half a cup, like that. You got that nice hand sanitizer smell, just right into your bowl like that. You got your aloe juice. Because we use half a cup of isopropyl alcohol, you are going to need 1/4 a cup of aloe juice. Make sure to put the lid back on your isopropyl alcohol as it can evaporate quite quickly. Same when we're done with this. So we're going to take our 4th cup, pour it in there, rinse this out because alcohol is very flammable and so is aloe juice. So you definitely don't want that on your hands. You want to keep it clean. Now you can see it's quite milky. You just want to mix it around for a bit, for a long bit. Then after that, you want to grab a container, something like that, that you can seal to be airtight. That is very important because isopropyl alcohol does have a tendency to evaporate at room temperature. You can see it's kind of milky white. That's fine. You'll notice that the aloe juice is not the most clear thing and your isopropyl alcohol isn't the most clear thing. Just before you use it, just give it a shake. When you put it in here, give it a shake to make sure that it is indeed airtight. And there you go. At-home sanitizer.